Hello wonderful YouTubers and welcome back to my channel. Yes, it is me, again, in the same outfit. Didn't I just see you or something? Anyway, I am bringing you my third ever Allure beauty box. I have seen so many good things about this on my subscription addiction, and this is my third one. It's the only one I've ever actually gotten on semi-decent time. The other ones did not come even in the months they were supposed to come, so I figured I would unbox my first ever Allure beauty box on my channel. The other two I've gotten were decent, middle of the road. All right, we got some Chica with some really fake freckles. I know that is like the trend, but sometimes I just can't get behind it. I don't think there's a theme for the box. Maybe the picture says the theme. Maybe it's like fake freckles and lash extensions and dewy skin, maybe. The first thing we have in the box is an Essentials Derma-E Micro Dermabrasion Scrub. You can always use a good derm scrub because, oh, this smells so good. This looks really interesting though. You can see there's like two layers, like a creamy layer, and then I guess you mix it in with the weird underlayer that it has going on. It's really hard to catch white on this camera. It's really hard to catch white on this camera. I have to fix that. But it smells like a delicious Lush soap or lemon sorbet. Ugh, I'm on the keto diet and I could literally kill someone for a sorbet or an ice cream or a lemon sorbet right now. That is the first thing we have. It's on the outside of this little bag. We got this little cute white bag from Allure, and let's see what's inside. First we have the Au Naturel Cream Multi-Stick and grapefruit. Oh my gosh, this is really cold. So it's in this little, it almost looks like a NARS multiple. Look like a NARS multiple. So let's pull it open. It's, I guess like a lip, and that's a pretty color. Actually kind of looks like NARS orgasm a little bit. I mean, it's coming up right around camera, but it is pulling my skin, I will say that a little bit, but it's like a corally with a little bit of a gold sheen to it. So I think this could be really pretty for the summertime to give your cheeks that, you know, just in from the sun, just in from the beach look. Anything that makes my cheeks look red makes me look natural, because I naturally turn very red in the summer. Next we have the Vichy or Vichy Laboratories Mineral 89 Booster Quodion Fortifant. I don't even know what this is. I think it's hyaluronic acid. It says acid hyaluronic. So I'm going to assume this is some type of hyaluronic acid scrub or, oh, skin fortifying daily booster in this like teeny tiny little dispenser. I'm guessing this is to bring some nutrients back to your skin and vitamins, and to bring back a nice dewy and fun and nice supple look to the cheeks. So I could always use that. Again, I'm dry, I'm textured, I'm gross, just put me out of my misery. I'm gonna guess this is an entirely skincare box, and I mean, that one was a blush, but it's getting heavy on this little skincare samples. And for $15, I mean, if it's heavy skincare, that's the theme, that's cool, but once again, just talk with me. I'm a brat. I like to get makeup. Not that I need any more makeup. Skincare is probably way better for my collection, but I'm a brat. All right, so this is the Biossance Squalane Peptide Gel. So I'm guessing this is just something fancy for your skin. It seems that this is a peptide eye gel. Another skincare item, but this is the Seriously Soothing Blue Tansy Night Oil for normal or sensitive skin. There's like no mark on this bottle whatsoever. It looks like a perfume. Let's warm 1 to 2 pumps in palm and press into the face and décolleté. So I guess this is like a oil that you wear at night that's supposed to make you dewy and pretty. I can't even get it open. It said pump. It's a rollerball. It smells good, but I guess you rollerball it on your face, which actually for a facial oil, that probably makes sense. I know a lot of people won't like that. It also doesn't seem very facial oily, because if you look at the bubble at the top, it moves around very freely. I don't think they move that fast in oil, so it might be like a very thin oil, which is good. I really like super thin oils. Next we have another, I feel like I got a Birchbox right now. This is why I canceled it. The Ren Evercalm Overnight Recovery Balm. Sounds pretty self-explanatory. At night, melt balm with fingertips and gently massage on the clean, dry skin until absorbed. It's for sensitive and reactive skin, which is good, but it's a little teeny. It's a little teeny. This is a lot of items because I feel another item in there. I just got this last month. This is the Rose Water Toner by Mamonde, and I just got this last month by Allure, so it smells very much like rose, but the thing that really sucks about it is that I got it last month, so thanks for the repeat, Allure. So that was a very heavily skincare box. I should be excited because I need to get serious about my skincare. I'm 28 years old. I do use creams and moisturizers, but I could be doing way better. I have very textured dry skin. I say this all the time, so I should be taking way better care of it, but I'm not. Can't say that it super excites me at all. Like, I know the one thing we got was the multi-stick, and I'll enjoy trying that, but other than that, I'm excited to try the facial stuff and oil stuff and wear it under my makeup and see how it makes my canvas better. Yes, I know your canvas is what makes your makeup good, but I'm excited every month to get makeup products, not 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 or 6 skincare products. So here I go again. Here I go again, being a brat. So is my Allure bag. It's alright. It's alright. Not my most favorite, but thank you so much for watching this unbagging. Again, check me out in my back to the boxes at the end of April for the month of March. Other than that, guys, have a fantastic evening. Just enjoy life, okay? And thanks for watching, and enjoy your life. Make it something. You know what? Just enjoy it, okay? Thank you so much for watching, guys. Bye!